Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is solve the following trigonometric equation and your equation is root 3 cos x plus sin x is equals to root 2. Now to solve this type of equation we use that to convert a sin थीटा प्लस b cos थीटा इस टाइप के एक्सप्रेशन को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इनटू अ सिंगल रेशो we multiply and divide by स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. तो आप साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा के जो भी कोएफिशिएंट होते हैं उनके स्क्वायर के सम के स्क्वायर रूट से यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड योर एक्सप्रेशन. सो इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर विल बिकम स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ रूट 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर दैट इज रूट 4 दैट इज 2. सो वी कैन डिवाइड both sides by 2. So divide your equation 1, divide 1 by 2. We get root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x is equals to root 2 by 2. Okay. Now root 3 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 6. Okay, and this is cos x plus 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6, and this is sin x and this is 1 by root 2. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b can be written as cos of a minus b. Okay, and that is equals to 1 by root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4. Now by applying using cos theta is equals to cos alpha implies theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha where n belongs to integers. So our equation will give you cos theta is equals to cos alpha. So theta is equals to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4 where n belongs to integers. Now pi by 6 can be taken there. So x is equals to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6 where n belongs to integers. So there are two sets of formula. First is take this with positive sign. Positive pi by 4 plus pi by 6 and that is equals to 2n pi by 4 plus pi by 6 will give you pi by 4 plus pi by 6. You can take 12 LCM. So 5 pi by 6 will be the sum. 5 pi by 12 where n belongs to integers. So this is first set of solutions 2n pi plus 5 pi by 12 where n belongs to integers. But there is another set of solutions which is coming from with the negative sign. So consider x is equals to 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6 where n belongs to integers. So this will give you 2n pi and this is again your LCM is 12. This is minus 3 pi plus 2 pi, so minus pi by 12 where n belongs to integers. So this will give you another set of solutions for your equation.